roses or white roses or pink roses? Now, you're asking the universe questions. And when I say the universe, I don't mean this is just a thing about the space and stars and stuff. I mean any piece of the universe. And roses are a piece of the universe, and a river is a piece of the universe, and you are a piece of the universe. I think that people have always done this. I think that people did it like before there were humans. This is how we ended up in a world with beer and bread and cloth and salted meats and persimmons. Science is listening to the universe and asking it questions it will answer. But that is not what we mean when we say science nowadays. There is a different thing, a structured thing, that is a real thing that kind of has the same name. It is a thing filled with experts and equipment and error bars, and it is a thing that is an outgrowth of asking the universe questions, but it's also an outgrowth of a philosophical movement that began not that long ago and has continued to evolve since then. And I also have a working shorthand for that thing that I'm gonna hit you with now. These are still people listening to the universe and asking it questions in ways it will hopefully answer, but they also had literally one single idea that changed everything and created scientific journals and the structure of a paper and randomized control trials and peer review and the entire field of statistics. It goes like this. Your ideas sound interesting. Could you let me check your work? Now, this idea didn't really grow out of people like wanting to be really nice to each other and like get to the truth as a team. It grew out of people thinking they were right and wanting to disprove the people who disagreed with them, which is not really supposed to be a motivation of science, but it is. And what that motivation created was an expectation that the methods of an experiment and the data created through those methods would be made available for other experts to inspect. The scientist's job became to convince other scientists, and not with argument, not with like power and prestige lorded over them and ostracizing people who disagreed, not by like hiding all of their data and encoding it in secret notebooks like